What am I eating for dinner tonight? And what's for dinner tonight, Kitty?
Well, it's spicy roasted potatoes and sweet potatoes, and roasted broccoli and cauliflower with vegan Parmesan cheese and Beyond Meat sausages, and it all has a sauce, a cheesy sauce if you want it.
Right, and it's all from raw, except for the sausages.
Well, yeah,
Right.
It's all organic vegetables.
So you chop it up and you put it in a baking tray and you bake it for how long in the oven?
Well, I add a bit of olive oil and I add a bit of vegan Parmesan salt and pepper, and I cooked it for about 40 minutes.
At 425?
Yeah, and the potatoes I cooked a bit longer.
So they were 40 minutes?
They were about an hour.
About an hour. And you put olive oil on them and a bit of salt.
And some paprika, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper to give a little kick.
Oh, and it all has cheesy sauce on, which we'll
Well, if you want, yeah. The cheesy sauce is lemon tahini, nutritional yeast, garlic, all-purpose sauce that's rather yummy.
Yummy. The serving process. So why are we using fake meat?
Because it's yummy. We didn't go vegetarian because we don't like meat. I never buy the argument, don't eat fake meat. Why not? It's nice. It's good.
Well, there are nitrates in it.
Yeah, not really.
Not
This is
brand,
pea
no.
protein and bean protein. There you go.
And beetroot. Alright, time to eat. Paired with a traditional red from France. Cheers. This is Kitty's sauce. It's excellent, by the way. Her go-to sauce, she makes this a lot. I will use a bit. As she said, she uses nutritional yeast for this, and it's very
Yummy.
got a kick. Delicious. This Cordon Bleu moment has been brought to you by Wolfie Cherry Productions 2021, and all he really needs is a little treat.